In today's rapidly changing the tech landscape, it is very easy to get stuck chasing languages or framework. और ये कहना भी गलत नहीं होगा कि mastering only one framework or technology is enough to survive the competition. तो शुरू कहाँ से करें? Let me help you. It is the concept. So if you know the concept, you can basically code anywhere, whether it could be Java, Python, PHP, JavaScript, or any next big thing. Concepts remains constant. So if you're serious about mastering the art of being a full stack developer, then you have landed on the very right place. Hey guys, my name is Amit Agarwal and this is Tech Demystified. I have spent 12 years in the trench of software development, designing and building web and mobile applications, leading high performing tech teams, and also running my own IT business. Over the years, I have helped startups and enterprises to bring complex problems to real life. On this channel, I'm going to share what I've learned beyond the basics. We demystify the core software development concept, explore latest and advanced tools and frameworks such as Nest, Spring Boot, React, and many more. Not only this, we're also going to uncover the most effective and efficient way to build web and mobile application that meets the real world problem. So, whether you are a Java developer curious about Node.js environment, JavaScript Pro who wants to deep dive in backend frameworks, or an aspiring full stack engineer, you will find practical strategies and insider tip right here. In the upcoming videos, we are going to talk about full stack roadmap, best practices and architectural design patterns, latest features inside tools and frameworks, hands-on strategies to deliver efficient and scalable apps. और ये सिर्फ theory नहीं है. This is what I've used with my real clients and team in every single day. So quickly go and hit that subscribe button if you're ready to demystify the tech, sharpen up your skill, and start a journey to become a pro level full stack engineer. And don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications.